Want to unlock the power of customer opinions hidden within Google Maps, all with a few lines of code? First, make sure you have Python installed, and then install the necessary libraries requests for fetching the HTML content, and BeautifulSoup for parsing the content. You can install these using pip install requests BeautifulSoup. Next, head over to Google Maps and find the business you're interested in. Copy the URL, as we'll need it in our script. Now, in your Python script, use the requests library to send an HTTP request to the Google Maps URL you copied. Store the HTML content of the page in a variable. Create a BeautifulSoup object using the HTML content. This will allow us to easily navigate and extract data from the HTML structure. Inspect the Google Maps page source to identify the HTML tags and classes that contain the review content, usernames, ratings, and other details you want to extract. Write Python code using BeautifulSoup to find all the identifying HTML elements and extract the relevant text or attribute values from each review. Store the extracted data into a structured format like a list of dictionaries or a pandas data frame. Each dictionary will represent a single review. Finally, export the data to a CSV file. This allows you to easily analyze the reviews using tools like Excel or other data analysis software, and that is how you scrape Google Maps reviews using Python.